Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be unboxing the 2023 Travelers Company Coffee Edition items. Now, 2023's theme is based upon a fictional coffee shop, but did you know Travelers Company also sells real coffee cafe items as well? But they can be kind of tricky to get. So mine were through some amazing friends that I have in Japan who live near the Starbucks Reserve Roastery in Tokyo. So this is my everyday carry wallet. So this is the first time that I've ordered from Travelers Company USA, where I was just a little bit sad on this round. Usually I've been able to get the Traveler's Times from them, a copy of the current edition, and that was not in the package this year. And from what I understand, that's been the case for everyone who did this pre-order. But I can't complain too much because they did give us a nice other freebie this year, which is this coffee and Traveler's Notebook leather tag. So it is a nice little leather tag, and I like that the notebook that I have is actually blue, so this is going to stand out nicely against the navy of that notebook that I have. So for example, I think this is the camel. So, camel on camel, that probably works well too. And also the darker one, it would be probably a better contrast. But I have like a navy one, so that's what that one's going to go on. So a couple of items that have been sold out for a long time are these two right here. These are brass templates, but they're also bookmarks, and they're very flat. These are great to be able to mark dates and places with kind of a special font inside of your notebooks. And I have been trying to get my hands on the actual Travelers Company ones for a long time. So these are restocked on their website at this time. At least the last time I checked, they were still available. Where these are actually going is in here. You might remember this from one of my previous videos. I'll make sure to link it here. This is my travel watercolor palette. This has like Daniel Smith watercolors and things like that in it. So when I did this unboxing video, I had explained that I had planned to replace this plastic ruler with a brass one, and that's actually what I had in mind, are those two brass stencils. So those will be going in here very soon. So on this Superior Labor roll, I have another brass clip that I've had for a number of years from Travelers Company. It says, "Have a nice trip, Traveler's Notebook." I keep that on here because this is my clip for holding down my watercolor pages when I'm watercoloring outside. It is brass, so it does tarnish a bit, so it does put a line, but this particular roll, I have meant for it to get kind of gritty, and like here you can see there's eraser or pencil mark building up now, and it's just been a great to-go kit. I took this with me to California, really loved it. So those two brass stencils are going in this spot. In the video I had posted above, I had explained how I planned to replace this plastic ruler with those brass ones. So that is what's going to happen today. This is one thing I look forward to every year, is the customized sticker set. I don't know about you, but these are the ones I have the hardest time using. I get so attached to these stickers. So this is the theme set this year: Traveler's Biscuit, Traveler's Cafe, Traveler's Cafe Coffee Travelers Blend, and of course it features, since it's part of the 2023 lineup. Also, the Passport line is more of the desserts, which is super cute. But me personally, I usually focus more on the coffee aspect of things, so I didn't buy all the dessert line this year. But if you're more interested in like sweets and desserts, maybe at a cafe, you might like the Passport edition. So in this kit, it comes with the limited edition stickers. The colors this year are really neat. It's like a, I don't know, burgundy, almost brownish burgundy color with like an evergreen green for the months. Also has the blues. One is for Passport, the other one is for the regular size, as well as the icons, more of the highlight date stickers. These are really cute. So these are the little pouches. You can put these on the cover, on the insert, in the inside or the outside, and they're just cute little pockets that you can store things in as well. But they're stickers, so you take the sticker off like that, and then it creates a pouch on the outside of the insert. I'll show you all how to use those later. And another thing of rub-ons. And the last thing I got for 2023 is the weekly and memo. So why I like getting the dated version of this is it also comes with its own sticker set as well. So this is the guide that comes with it. It always has a unique message on the inside, and sometimes some little drawings like this. So I'll probably cut those out and put them on my cover as well. And then it itemizes all the refills, all the standard refills that are available, as well as covers that are available for that year. So this custom one you can get only at Starbucks Reserve, but any of these items on the back of this page you can order directly from Travelers Company USA's website. So I get this number 8 pocket, zipper pocket, as well as the number 10 double-sided stickers and the number 20 craft folder every time I start a new Travelers Company cover. So that one will be shown in my next video, but I wanted to show the accessories that I did purchase at the same time directly from their website, since you can get all of these with the 2023 guide all at the same time. And those little clips that I have, the one that I showed on Superior Labor, that is also available on that website. They do sell out from time to time. So these are the 2 custom stickers that come in the dated one. So this is the weekly and memo set. It comes with 2 books. First one is stamped January through June 2023 with 2 calendars for 2023 through 2024. And then it starts with the 7 days a week, and the other side is completely gridded. What I like about this grid is at the bottom there's no quotes, so it really does give me a little bit more real estate than the Hobonichi Weeks. But unlike the Hobonichi Weeks, there's only 1 extra page at the end of the notebook. Same thing for the second half of the year. It's stamped July through December, and they give you the yearly calendar, and same thing. Monday through Sunday, and then a grid with an extra page just at the back of the notebook. So it's just the perfect size. You can carry both if you want, or you can carry one at a time. For the purposes of this notebook that I'll be using in 2023, I will probably keep both of them in the cover at the same time. So this next one is a clear folder. It's actually passport size. So I'm going to switch it out and use it in my existing everyday carry wallet from Starbucks Reserve. This one, I've had this other folder in here for a couple of years now, and it holds our car insurance cards. It's a perfect fit. If you happen to have Allstate, when you print out your car insurance cards, those fit perfectly into this pouch. So to kind of match the coffee theme that I have going on with this particular notebook, I'm going to go ahead and switch out that folder and add this one in it instead. The pencil board for this year is really pretty. It has a lot of gold foiling on it, as well as the folder that can go inside. They both have just amazing gold foiling, and it has a little hole at the bottom as well, so you can use a regular elastic to mount it in there, or the bookmark. Now, this is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery clip. This again can only be purchased at that roastery in Tokyo, or if you have a special arrangement, I think there's some on eBay. There might be some for a little higher price on Etsy as well. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll show you more about how I'm going to be using these products in my notebooks in the upcoming videos, but I just wanted to show 2023's products first, and then I have a special unboxing next, direct from Starbucks Reserve, of a new notebook that one of my friends picked up for me last month. So if you enjoy Travelers Company as well, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I'll put the playlist below. I'm creating a playlist just for all of my Travelers Company videos, so I'll make sure to post that below. I'll see you next time.